Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog.
I have you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi,
How you doing?
I'm not bad, I'm going off,
Going off where?
somewhere. Can't you see my bag?
Okay, you're running away.
Yes.
Good morning, guys. So it is Friday, but I'm not going to any work, so hey. And if you guys have not yet checked out my last vlog, please, it'll be in the description below. You guys should watch that. So today I'm gonna clean, do a lot of house things. I have some things to prepare for camp. So I have camp to attend. I'll be a counselor there, and I have a lot of things I need to draw, cut out, make, a lot. So I want to clean today, start some other things today, and do some tomorrow.
Welcome to my first bathroom. I love the way that I decorated this one.
Alright, so right now I'm doing some drawing for some decorations, and this is for my sister's room. I drew a minion. This was my first attempt, and this is my second, so I love this one. I'm still gonna cut this one out, but I hate it. I hate it so much, but I love this one. Ugh. So I'm gonna use this to trace the rest of them and then try, drawing them. I have some pictures that I'm drawing from, so that is fun. Got more paper, and yeah. Good morning, guys. So it's Sunday, and we're gonna be having children church today. So I'm gonna set up. So I got these line outs over there. So let's set you guys up. This is what we got. We want this for the little babies, and then the bigger ones will sit over here. So we got some more that we can use to do that. Let's go. It's so hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna put you guys down. We are done, guys. We are done. Pretty cute. I love it. Colorful and some wings. It's Sunday and Mommy's cooking.
And she ain't getting none.
Really?
Sure.
You gotta do a woman like that, man. That's just cold.
What's it in here?
lolly, lolly, lollipop, lollipop.
Oh, give me the rum.
She's Monday.
Your star puppet plans to show the girls.
She's Friday.
And you, Frumpy Pigskin. Where's that first?
Hey guys, welcome back. So I was supposed to upload a video yesterday, a vlog yesterday. However, that wasn't done, and I'm sorry guys, but exams were going on and I wanted to mark all my papers and enter grades before the holiday officially began, and I did. So that is why I don't have a video up. However, I got some news for you guys. So my papers are finished marking. Today is officially the last day of school. I'm back home, so I am officially on holiday, and I got some news for you guys. Like, I did something. Remember I told you guys I was gonna do something to myself? Well, I did it, and here we go. So I got a next piercing. I got some piercings. So I got this one, and I also got the one over here, as well as my cartilage pierced. I have wanted this so long. Like guys, you have no idea how long I wanted a cartilage piercing. I love it. But anyways, I'll insert the footage of me getting it pierced. So it's not that good of footage because inside the place was kind of not very much lit. So yeah, just enjoy the footage of me getting my ears pierced and cringing like a kid.
I told you the other ones. I know this is bad.
Welcome to the club. It's just things. I know, but it's back to me. Thank you. So I'm gonna watch some TV because you know it's holiday. So yeah, but the holiday is supposed to be fun. So I was supposed to go to a hotel this weekend. However, it was put off until next week. So on Wednesday, I'll be going to the hotel. You guys will see that vlog. And then, the other week I'll be at camp. And then the other week I do have another hotel visit. So you guys will be getting all those adventures for the summer. And I should have more fun stuff for the summer. I do have some makeup looks I want to try.
Why are you keep fat? Never care yet. So late. She be sleeping from 11. After 4.